Yes? Here, let me open it for you. The strap, Lila. The strap. The strap. Oh, what's going on here? How come the tent walked away? Yeah, close it tight. Good, Lila.
We want to come in this house. Is little piggies? You can come in our house. Lila, come in. Yes, my dear. Come in. Come in, Lila. Come in here, Lila. Lila, come into our house. Oh.
Oh. What a cozy house you guys have there.
You cannot see us.
Oh, there they are. Oh no, your house fell down. What are you going to do?
I can fix it. Lila's my special helper to fix this house.
I see.
Lila, can you pull? Lila, can you hold it? Okay. Lila, can you?
Uh-oh, but there's no door on this side. That's more like it.
Easy. Easy, Lila, easy.
Hello in there.
Hello.
Oop.
It's a nice day.
What a cozy house you guys have.
Let's sit and have some cocoa. Here's a cocoa. You want to go out?
Hello.
Hello. Come on in, Lila. I hope you feel good. Hey, you sing.
Bye-bye.
No.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Lila's feet. Hello, Dahlia and Lila's feet. Hey, gentle guys. I see you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, hello. Wow. Hi there.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. How many people are in this house? It seems like there's so many people hiding in here.